Ever wonder what pure chaos looks like? Wrestling is a ritual, and nobody is safe. Meet Onyx. If there is new furniture, he is hiding in it. But nothing beats the sound of the automatic feeder. It is a literal race. Look at that focus. While they recharge, I am busy cooking some crispy white pomfret.
The weather today is beautiful, very suitable for going out for a bike ride. It's also a great way to relieve stress during the gaps while my daughter is having her confinement period. Before we start, don't forget to give a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the little bell.
Onyx. Onyx.
你在做什么
？Onyx. Onyx. Wow, who is the winner this time? Yeah. Resting, cat resting. Wow, 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 wow. Oh. 5 more minutes. Oh yeah， 2个。哇，2个人都抢到第一波，太厉害了。You are champion。
好吃，这礼拜特价。这次先买一只40后来给这小小的，你那人卡成3到位，是不是你？有你那人卡成3到位了。
The postpartum meal for lunch is finally ready. After this bowl of pork ribs noodles, I can make time to relax and exercise.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going outside for hiking or biking. Okay, so this bicycle will be my ride today. Let's go. This is Rolling Savannah Trail. Actually, today's weather is very good, you know. Wow. A lot of people biking here. That's great. Okay. Hi. experience open from
6:30 a.m. to sunset.
Okay. Washington Street is right. Okay. So it's time to go home.
Do you like this kind of simple, relaxing bike ride? Don't forget to like, share, and comment, subscribe, and turn on the little bell.